Hello everyone, welcome to the video of how to fill company detail form. To fill company detail form, first of all, you must be arranging the internship by self. If you are arranging the internship by yourself, it is mandatory to fill the company detail form, whether you need NOC or not. So watch this video for the clarity. The link of the company detail form is given in the description of the video also, or simply here also on the screen you can see tinyurl.com/company detail form 2022. So once you click on company detail form link, this form will open. I have previously told you what are the guidelines related to the company detail form. These guidelines are also given over here also when you open the form. Let's skip to that because we have already discussed. The first thing in the form is we require your email address. So when you log in into the form, you can provide the email address over here. Then you are required to provide the registration number, your 8-digit registration number. If your registration number is wrong, we will not be able to provide you the letter because you will not match with the data and we will reject your company, right? Then you need to write down your name, write it properly as you want it to be pasted on your NOC letter. Then fill the company name of the company very carefully, like HDFC Bank Limited, Tata Steel Limited. Properly it should be written, right? Not misspelled and all that, because if your company name is misspelled, it is your mistake, right? Then a very important thing, where you are going to do the internship, you need to clearly mention the address, right? Like you can write down 478 SCO plot number 23 Urban Estate phase 2, right? Delhi, pin code 14400 or something like that, right? So every full address with the pin code, because during the summer internship someone can come to your company to visit at your place, right? This address will not be pasted onto your company detail form, but you need to mention this address for our further approval. Location. Now location is, let's say you are doing the internship in Jalandhar, so you can simply mention this. I have one example, I have given it to you, Jalandhar/Punjab. You are doing in Ludhiana, so instead of Jalandhar you will write down Ludhiana, Punjab, India. If you are doing it in Delhi, simply write down New Delhi/India, right? So city, state and then country, right? So foreign students can also fill like this if you are doing it in your country. Then very important point, that you need to mention the website of the company. Whatever is the website, you need to clearly mention it, right? www. right? hdfc.com, right? Or whatever the name of the company. In case you are doing through chartered accountant, for MBA chartered accountant is not allowed. For UG and MCOM student, chartered accountant is allowed. It is mentioned, you need to read the guideline number 4 above. The guideline is that if you are doing with the chartered accountant, then what you are supposed to write down? You are supposed to write down chartered accountant membership number. You are supposed to write down this. In case of chartered accountant, what you will write down under the name of the company? In case of chartered accountant, you will write down the firm name, like Nilesh Arora and the company associates, or like Vishal Arora at the associates and associates, something. So whatever the name of your CA company, you will mention that. Then letter to be issued to whom, right? So there are many, almost all the possible ways are given. If you want to give to HR head, corporate head, vice president, zonal head, chief, all the letters are given, right? HR manager. So if still in very rare case circumstances, if some drop down option is not given, right, you can mail us at msb.tpc@lpu.co.in that your desired drop down option in the company detail form is not given. How to write down mail in an appropriate manner also we will tell you in one of the video very soon. But till then, understand, when you drop a mail, write down your registration number, name, the program you are doing, and clearly specifying what is the issue and what solution you require. So if the drop down option is not available, I have told you how to mail it. So if drop down option is available, so you select that, right? Do you need NOC or not? Right, NOC we give it in the soft copy or the hard copy also. Hard copy if you come to the placement office, or soft copy as due to pandemic you are your home places, so we will mail you from the someone from the placement team will mail you the NOC. So if you do not need NOC, you can write down no, but I would suggest you should click on yes. If your company need it, you can pass it on to your company. If your company do not need it, you can keep it with yourself as a future reference. Very, very, very crucial thing. Many things are dependent upon this last point, that expected role you are going to do in the company. Like one of the role I have explained, example, I will be implementing and executing digital marketing strategy of the company and generate desired result as per the requirement. I will be responsible for managing all the marketing campaign that promote a company and its product, and I need to work in enhancing brand awareness into the digital space to digital traffic and acquire leads and all that. This kind of explanation and the company is good, right? Your chances of getting company accepted is very high, right? You do not write down this explanation, we will reject with a code that explanation is not proper, then you need to fill it again. How many times you can fill this form? It is upon you at how many times you want to fill. If you keep on rejecting it, we might say that we have provided you the video and still you are not able to fill the form properly. What is the fun of doing the degree, right? So make sure whenever you are supposed to fill all the details properly. How many NOCs you can take? As per the university norms, you can take 3 NOCs, 3 different NOCs. Why a student would require 3 NOCs? I have told you previously many a times. If you find the company in first company very good, you got the NOC from me, then one more company you find which is also good, you are not able to decide which company to pursue, so you can take the NOC of second company also, and before the actual start of your internship you can decide and inform me that sir, I took 2 letters, out of that I am going to do the internship in this company only, right? In the last, you need to accept these 2 guidelines, right? Once you accept it, you can submit the form. Once your form is submitted, we take minimum 2 working days. Many a times I have issued the letters within 1 day also, but still we ask that minimum 2 working days, or it can take up to 6 to 7 working days also, because many students are filling this company detail form, right? So verifying the company and checking all these details take little time, right? So that's why you must fill the company detail form little bit early before the company is asking from you, right? Hope you find the good company and fill the company detail form, take the approval of your company. Thank you everyone, take care, bye bye.